Alright, we're back. Got this all clean, got that all clean, got this all clean, sorted out some stuff, got the new stuff for the training over here. Sorted out all our hardware over here. Got the racks over there, all our swing arm junk here. That's all the gas tank carbon and the crap up there. And we still got some new parts and stuff there. And everything else is on the floor. We didn't clean all the primary stuff, but other than that stuff, everything's clean. So this was very, very dirty. Now it's nice and clean. Only took an hour just to do this, right?
We got some time.
Okay, so first thing we gotta know, what do we do in that bearing down there? And how good did you blow it out?
I got shell spinning her fast. It don't feel bad, but it does have a wear pattern on it. At least I thought it, oh, maybe it doesn't. It was just the angle I was looking at.
The shaft is clean, so.
I mean, I can hold them tight and spin it like you were talking about. They're not spinning. Nothing feels gross now. Everything's clean. Like I don't feel any.
Oh yeah, you got the grit out.
I don't feel anything that feels like it's gross.
I don't feel shit. It's nice and smooth. So you lock the roll out and slide it. You can also roll it, doesn't tell you as much as sliding. Try different things. Try all 4 locations. That way you feel the whole race. I don't see anything wrong with it, so I'm good with it. So what do you want to do?
Listen.
Keep it?
Front.
Okay, we're half done already. All right. This is pretty shallow. Grab our new seal over there. The rubber one. See how the seal's taller than it's in there? It's taller than it came out. Grab the other one. I've had these problems in the past.
Substantially taller.
Yep. Yep, it is. And the problem is when you put that in there, does it have room for the other parts? So we're gonna have to do a mock-up. So I need the shaft. I need the washer, that large fender washer looking thing over there. And of course we don't have a snap ring because it's missing. Okay, put that up underneath, shove it in. Goes in a hole, right here. Yeah, that hole. Gotta go past the spring. Spring has to go up over the pin there. Dowel, whatever you want to call that thing. Bushing. Just shove. To be a man. Okay.
As deep as it goes, or I gotta go deeper?
I think we're pretty good because see, it's pretty far out on the snap ring. Put your washer on there. Oh yeah, see how much distance we got? See, I've had them with that snap rings right up against the washer like that. You would have to have the flat one, the little slim one. So this one here looks like if we had to stick it up a little bit, we got plenty of room. Okay, so I'm alright with it.
Okay.
So our dry mock-up looks fine, but we always got to check this stuff there. We've got to get it past this edge here, or it breaks. That's falling off again. Yeah. Okay. What do we got on this side? We got one dowel to worry about and a big lip here. So you have to put on the press. Don't put the oven back in. That goes in the box on the floor over there. In the box. I know. Okay, this goes in here. So you got to find something to push it all the way down with. What do you got?
Do you want like a socket or do you want an actual...
Well, it'd be nice to have a flat pressing tool. So what do you got? You said you had some stuff. What do you got? Where's that air nozzle at? Okay, put that back on the airline so we can blow some stuff off. Right here. Full load of tank over there. No, just put on the tire. It's fine. No name, Harbor Freight. Fancy. Whose kit's this? Harbor Freight?
No, this is Amazon. I got ones that are like stepped too.
Amazon. Okay, I need bigger than this one. Put me up 3. Go to that 28. Yeah, that one. Let's go. I want something big enough to go over the whole thing and put it in, so perfect. Okay. Let's get this all wiped off over here. We gotta determine how much height we need. Wipe off the press. Okay. Do all the other blocks on the ground down there? Okay. All right, grab the case over there. Something fall off. Would you drop the seal?
Yeah. Okay,
Flinging it too much.
Good there.
The key part is to have a block right under the damn thing and not off the side.
I can do that.
You can? No, you can't. Gotta move the press over. There you go. Okay, looks close. So it looks like the press height will work for what we need. So you need to get a nice square block. It'll take up these gaps like this when you have them.
Yeah.
That's flat.
Okay.
Piece of aluminum works good because it doesn't tear up shit as much. You got so much distance you gotta go. You'll start to run out of juice.
It's 5-inch stroke, 6-inch stroke.
Yeah, but you got so much free play and everything.
Yeah, it's sloppy. There's no question about it, Tatro.
When's it ever put pressure on anything? Oh, finally, it's putting pressure on something. Why is that going up?
Well, not only does, man. I don't know why.
Blocks aren't flat, that's why. Is the seal already down all the way?
Yeah. It looks like it's seated or damn close.
Well, I got pressure on it right now. I'm not going to go any further. Okay, pop it. If you stop it from going up too far like that, you don't have to pump it 50 times to get it back down.
She said it nice.
Yeah, this can go right here too, real easy. Out of the way. You have to jam it this way in the toolbox. Might save your fingers. Is the seal in there?
Sounds good.
Did you put the steel one or the rubber one in?
Rubber.
Rubber, good. Okay, bring it over here. Kit worked good. Looks like a nice little kit.
Yeah, I got another one too that's got a little step on it so you can seat things.
Good.
It's a pretty nice set.
Well, don't go hiding that thing. We're not done yet.
Okay.
Leave it open. What are you doing? I didn't pay to put it away. What do you think you're doing? Why do you think I put the case over here? We have room. Okay, where's the, where's our big bearing? Tag. Okay, wipe off the OD because it's got grease crappy on it. A little shot of solvent cleans it up real quick, just with your fingers. What'd you do with the cleaning material? So all you need. Does the bearing look like it's got something in it we need to blow out, or is it clean in there? Anything look like dirt or crap in it?
Yeah, she looks nice and
Or do you
clean.
want us to go? We can just dip it and blow it if we don't. If you're not sure, but
Okay, I'll do that.
well, what's it look like? Does it need to be clean, or is it good? Feel like it's got the factory oil in there, nothing else. I don't see any dirt. It spins free. It's good. Now, do you want the fag up or the fag down?
Letters are out, right?
I think we're proud of being fag, so put it out.
It's not even February. No. 1 month is no, never mind.
It's for the whole year now. Okay, you got a big one here that size, 3 inch?
Negative there.
Just tight enough that it doesn't want to just fall right in because we're caulking it. Now, if you get it just right, it'll probably just fall in. But with one hand, it's hard to do that. We're already done over there, sir. It took way too long.
Send me out fools here.
I just had to line it up. Now, do you want to put Loctite on that so it stays tight, or you want to rely on the other stuff to do its job? The snap ring.
That's snap. It's a
I'm a big fan of putting Loctite on everything.
Right?
So you got capillary Loctite laying around?
I do.
Or you want to just pull it out like that and put Loctite here and put it back in?
Right. We can go either way.
Well, it's already out.
What
So.
strength do you want to use? Capillary still, or you?
Where's the clean rag? Somebody stole my rag. It resembles the one in your pocket. Okay, wipe this off really good because I feel like it's got solvent residue on it. 'Cause it's filthy, nasty solvent you were using. Okay, you got a little bit of a stud and bearing mount, red?
Excuse me?
Stud and bearing mount, Loctite, red.
Yeah, I got red.
Because what are they mounting? Bearing. Hey, it's not so slimy anymore.
You want to wipe the inside or wipe the bearing?
A little on the inside. Very, very thin coat. Yeah, whatever's left over you can do on a bearing, but it doesn't take much. There's almost no clearance. Oh, you don't like that Loctite? What kind of Loctite is that? Is that stuff you bought on Amazon that doesn't work?
260. 266.
Oh, good. Hinkle brand. Perfect. That's some weird looking Loctite.
It's fucking thick.
It's almost like a paste.
It's thick.
What is this stuff?
High strength, high temp, fasteners
Did you
to
open
3/4.
Did you actually open the lid up?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Shouldn't have to do that. Do you have a paper clip?
I do.
Put the hole through it and it clears it out if it's plugged up. That stuff isn't supposed to be that thick. That's thick, gooey crap.
It's probably enough, I'm guessing.
I don't know. I'm debating if it's even going to do anything. So you can put this on, or you want me to do it? It's bound up now.
Right over here. Super high over here. There you go. Still high over here. There you go. I like it.
You like it? Good. Did I do that right? Yeah. Hey, the bearing still feels good, so I didn't fuck it up. Okay. See how it's got a taper on it?
Yeah.
Taper goes where?
Taper Taper goes in. You want the sharp edge out.
Like this? Is that how you want to do it?
I think it goes like this.
Why?
Because you want the sharp edge against that edge so she don't pop on you.
On a normal snap ring that would be true, but on this one it's a tapered snap ring, not a sharp and dull edge. See how it's tapered?
Uh-huh.
It's tapered because that hole, this actually wedges into it and pushes down and locks the bearing in the case because the bearing is loose, remember?
Okay.
So this actually wedges in and makes it tighter. If you put it upside down like this, it wouldn't even go on.
Okay.
The snap ring would be above the groove.
Okay.
You have to it has to go like this to even get in the groove. And it's like a knife edge and it just digs in.
Okay.
So you need to have your oversized snap ring pliers we don't have, so give me the biggest thing you got.
Yep.
Got your nipper picks. Nip picks, that's your 8.5 inch set.
Yep.
Only about 6 1/4 though, but they're close enough. Must be my rag. Look at that, lint for your rags. Look at that, lint for your rags. Whenever you bring some new rags, I always get the lint off. Don't you worry about the snap ring holes. Squeeze. Go down. Let go. Okay, got a little drift pinch somewhere?
That's probably going to be the only thing I really got left now.
Why don't you give me one about a 1/4 inch?
It'll fit, huh?
1/4 inch. Drift punch is a big long punch.
Probably use some gas or something.
That'll work. It's a tapered punch, but it'll work. Wipe that thing off. That punch
That's what
looks
I was
filthy.
looking for the other day, Freddie.
Your magnet?
It belongs up there.
Okay, wipe off that nasty
Which,
looking
this guy
punch.
or this guy?
The big one.
The Mac Daddy?
Yeah, it's actually an alignment punch, not a drift punch. Wipe it off. It's filthy because it came out of your toolbox. Did your rag get dirty as you did that?
Oh, I can listen. It's filthy. I can feel it.
Yeah. So now your hands are filthy. You can't work the training on you. Your hands are dirty. You have to clean your hands off. What are you going to use?
My favorite little hammer.
Yeah, it's kind of a dinky hammer.
It's perfect for this.
No, it isn't. It's too small. You have to hit too hard to get any power. This is the size you need to get. See the difference?
Yeah.
This is a 1 pounder. This is a 1.5 pounder.
Okay, so
This
what's the
gives-
idea? You
this
want to
gives
go
you- this
here, or
gives-
you try to...
This gives you enough mass and power when you swing it without swinging hard to do something. When you have one like this, you got to swing it so hard you lose your advantage of what you're trying to do. You don't have to feel, and you have a chance of screwing up more than anything. It's a punch. So first thing you want to do is hit it right here on the corner.
Okay.
What is that? What kind of punch is that? A knife edge punch. Do you have a punch that's actually flat? That's big. I would take that punch and grind the snot out of it until it's flat. What's that red thing? Looks like a punch. Why don't you clean it off? Use that. See, you put that nice red all over. You know what that red stuff does? It chips off and goes in your parts.
stuff?
In your nice new parts you're working on. That's what that crap does. Okay, now that we have a flat punch, right on that corner, hit it. Not quite that hard. No, you don't go that way. You go in this direction, work your way around because the punch is the clip has to open up.
Okay.
If you shove that side in there, then this side's out.
Okay.
When you hit this side, it's going to pull that side out, and you're defeating her, what you're trying to do. So then you go clip, 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 clip. Use about
Okay.
half the force you just did.
Okay.
Do you feel it moving in when you do that?
Well, everybody's moving.
Why is it moving? Because you're not on the table correctly. Yeah.
Here's my.
Oh, it sits flatter now.
Oh, I can see it moving.
I saw it move too. Okay, now you go back and hit the first one, and if it moves, do it again. If it doesn't move, you're good. Did it move?
I don't know, so I'm just gonna go around.
See how the bigger hammer gives you more control?
Yep.
But if it goes bigger than that, it's too much. Now grab your little hammer, try to do the same thing. Feel the difference in force. See how it feels different?
Yep.
You have to swing hard. We're good. It's all right. We're just showing. So this is the ideal size. And you don't need a real long length on it either because you're not swinging it that hard.
Yep.
If you need to swing it harder than when you're just doing stuff, then you get the bigger hammer.
Right.
That's what they make the 2-pounders for and the 3-pounders. These are for doing little dinky work. You got a little small pins you're trying to knock out like that, you use that. But I still prefer that one because it does more. But when you get down to really, really small stuff like a 16th inch, that's when you need that thing.
Okay.
But like an 1/8 inch on up, 3/32 probably still, that still works good, that hammer.
Okay.
When you get below that, then that comes into play. Because that acts like, when you get down to that real small stuff, that acts like a 2 or 3 pound hammer.
Right.
And this looks like, this is the one like you used to. So it's just a matter of forces. Okay, now when you're all done, you make sure it rotates freely.
She feels good.
Feels good.
Feels like it's new.
It might be new. Okay. Now, where is our seal and our seal spacer? Is that over there? Okay. I'll be using that. Okay, where's our high gear at? It's buried over here somewhere. That's right here. Somebody put it on the shaft where it belongs. Okay, so this, we're going to replace the seal in here. That has to be pressed in. Now, if you put the seal in later, you have to work around the snout sticking up. If you put the seal in now, you can use one of the big flat spacers that you don't have, shove it in. Okay, so let's pop that open. There's a tear strip right here. See, that's the old way of doing stuff. They had good quality. Now they use the cheap ass bags that don't work right. Don't lose this because that's a brand new part. We need that. This is our spacer. Make sure it's clean. Goes on there. Does not go this way. Goes on like that. Where's your fancy spacer? No. Other fancy spacer. Made in USA. Okay, wipe it off with your clean towel that you don't have. Now, before you assemble this all the way, we want to put a little oil in here, but right now we're still just making sure our parts are going to match.
Oil or assembly?
Somebody lube. You done playing with that? Did you shake that to get all the lint off before you did that?
Yes. Of course I did.
You sure? I didn't see it. Okay, see how this has a tapered edge and a flat edge? The tapered edge is for that seal over there to work. It goes in first like that. Okay, does that look like that seal fits in there? What do you think? Not even stinking close to
Yeah.
fitting.
Not even anywhere close.
Not even remotely close. So, Baker has designed their seal to take the stalker, late seal, not the early seal. So we need to find your old, get your old spacer down there. Let's compare our sizes.
This is a trash box.
That's why you keep your old parts. You might need them. Okay, that needs to be wiped off now because now it's, don't use that towel though. So wipe that off because I got it dirty now. We know we have to be taller because we're changing the pulley, but I bet you it uses the same seal. Same OD?
Yes, sir. ID, OD, good to go.
So it's a height change. So what Baker did is they did not copy what Harley did. Harley, it's a thinner spacer, takes the early seal. Baker went ahead and made the taller spacer the same diameter, so it takes the late seal. So now you have to put this all back in the baggie over there, and we have to get the other one over there.
Another set you brought?
Yeah.
You're brilliant, Tatro.
Where's my baggie? Where'd my baggie go? Where'd you toss it?
You know,
You shredded that thing.
You know, did.
See, I only opened up a little bit so I can still reuse them when I'm done, but in this case, you killed it. See, that's what happens when the aftermarket does what they want instead of what Harley did. You didn't go very far with it, so it's in the building. Now the reason we're changing this is because we're changing our pulley to a taller ratio, and it's the early style pulley. All right, we'll be back.